Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use MetroBank's app. And you guys can easily download MetroBank's app from your Play Store and App Store. And for those people who do not know what MetroBank is a retail and commercial bank which is operating on the United Kingdom, which is a UK bank. And as it was launched, it was like the first new high street bank to launch in United Kingdom over 150 years. So it's basically like a really good bank of UK. So if you're a UK citizen and you don't know how to use this app, then you guys are at the right video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on with today's video. First step, you need to open the app. After you open the app, you need to click on versus username in order to enter your username. Once you enter your username over here, versus password, you need to enter the password of your account. So enter your password. After you enter the password of your account, click on login. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your MetroBank account. And if you don't have access to your user ID or your password, you can click on recover access and it's going to help you recover your user ID or your password, whichever thing you forgot. All right. So that's basically how this works. And if you don't have a MetroBank account and you want to sign up for it, you can click on don't have an account sign up. You can click on it and it'll take you to its sign up page. Click on sign up and it'll take you to its sign up page over here. And you need to sign up through its web browser. You can't sign up using their app. All right. Once you click on it, it'll direct you to their web page. All right. So just keep that in mind. So hope you understand the video, and that's basically how you guys can use this app. So if you guys found our video helpful, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. It's just hope you understand. And over here, once you're in this page, just fill this form up. Once you fill this entire form up completely, it's a 5-step process. At the 5th step, it's going to be done. So complete all of this process and your account will be created. All right. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel 1 step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.